What's going on, everybody? I'm Scott Oots. I'm out here at our Corona project with my contractor, Brian from Halo Construction. And we're just doing a walkthrough, seeing everything that's been done so far. Let me tell you, these guys are moving on this project. What's it been, 2 weeks?
It's been 2 weeks. All the demo's been done, drywall repairs, a lot of prep, a lot of electrical, getting plugs and switches changed out, and floor's about 3/4 of the way done.
Yeah, look at this floor. I mean, this is really nice. So it's a waterproof, is it vinyl? Waterproof
Yeah, it's
vinyl?
called a luxury vinyl plank. So basically it's a waterproof, so we can use it in wet areas, kitchens, baths. Very resilient, it's gonna hold up to kids, dogs, and just the wear and tear that you don't get from traditional wood floors.
Yeah, so it looks really high end, but it doesn't come with a high end cost. So I think it's like $299 a square foot roughly. So we're running this all the way through. We're doing carpet on the stairs, but you can definitely see just the change by the flooring being in. And then ceilings are painted. They're doing the walls, what, next week?
Yeah, walls start next week. As soon as the painters get out, we actually will finish spraying this ceiling, but all the upstairs have been sprayed, closets have been sprayed, we're ready to go. We're gonna start putting all the finishings back in into this week, early next week.
Let's take a look in this area here.
My guys already got this demoed out. They had a tile on here, so we'll go and re-prep this. We'll actually get this cut out so we can put new tile on this. We'll also get this refinished, get rid of the old school gold, but we look forward to doing a little transformation around this fireplace so the future homeowners will have a cool place to hang out.
So they knocked this down. Originally there was a countertop up here. We're gonna make it come all the way across, which is gonna look awesome. We're in a construction zone, so you're gonna hear this, which, you know, we don't wanna have to stop working, we want to keep going. So, but cabinets getting painted. We kept the original cabinets in here. Talking to Brian, cost of cabinets went up, what? 20%?
Yeah, around there. Everything's gone up with COVID. Right down just to 2x4s, over doubled in price already. So we're looking for cost savings on this flip. See what Mark is working on up here as he's getting everything cleaned up and demoed. He's doing a great job. I'll take you guys into the mastery so you guys can see what it looks like now, and then wait to see the afters. But as you can see, all the carpet's out. We've got a lot of wallpaper and stuff we got to take down, get everything cleaned up, drywall work. Yeah, this is Mark. He's getting all the sinks ready to be unhooked so we can get the countertop off. We will save the vanities. They're actually in pretty good condition, and we'll go ahead and refinish it. Something we hate to see in these flips because it's kind of gross, but it's carpet inside the toilet room. Just that's definitely going to go. Shower doors will come off. We'll get new doors, but all the tub, everything's going to get refinished. We'll go ahead and scrape all the ceilings, make sure everything looks good when it's done. It's kind of a steam issue from the shower. We'll probably most likely even put in an exhaust fan for them. But this will be the master suite when it's all said and done.
So saving the cabinets, since they're in such good shape, they'll go through and put new hardware on them. We're gonna put handles. They're gonna be white, nice countertop, backsplash. This place is gonna look really good once we're done. But they are killing it. New outlets in. This makes such a big difference. This is something to pay attention to. You know, we added the new outlets, we added the new switches, and it's something that Brian always recommends doing in each project, just because the old ones, were these like the almond ones, or were they just?
Yeah, they were old almond standard outlets. A lot of them were even broken. They weren't correct. Also, the kitchen wasn't done. It didn't have the proper GFIs that you see we've already got in here to make sure that everything's gonna be protected correctly.
Mm-hmm. So Brian's obviously getting all that stuff right for us, because our goal is when an inspector comes through here with a new buyer and they're doing their inspection, we want our list to be small. And there's always gonna be a list, no matter what we do. I remember another house we did in Corona, remember the attic, the insulation was pushed over and the inspector said we needed to re-insulate the entire attic just because it was plopped over.
Yeah, and all we had to do was go up there and for 30 seconds and put insulation and just lay it back down.
Yeah, so inspectors, they're always gonna look for something. No matter what we do, they will find something, and we just have to kind of meet them halfway on what we'll repair and what we won't. But doing new switches, we'll know they all work. We're gonna have all that stuff up and running. We're gonna have can lights up here in the ceiling, which is gonna be really nice. We got rid of those ugly fluorescent ones that were there, and it's coming along. This place in the next week is gonna look completely different than it does right now. By the time he gets the paint on the walls, the flooring in the entire house, This is gonna look really good. It's starting to come together, and a couple weeks left. We'll get it staged, get it listed, and see how quick we can get this thing sold.